Azure Migrate is Microsoft's comprehensive solution for cloud migration. It serves as your primary tool for moving on-premises infrastructure, applications, and data to the Azure Cloud Platform. Throughout this video, we'll explore the various tools and services that make Azure Migrate a powerful migration platform. Azure Migrate acts as a centralized hub that brings together all migration activities in one place. It provides a unified platform for discovering your on-premises resources, assessing their readiness for cloud migration, and executing the actual migration process. The platform simplifies the entire migration journey by offering integrated tools and step-by-step guidance for migrating servers, databases, web applications, and virtual desktops to Azure. Azure Migrate consists of 4 key components. First, the Azure Migrate Hub serves as your central dashboard where you manage all migration projects and track their progress. Second, the discovery and assessment tools help you discover and evaluate your on-premises resources to determine their Azure readiness. Third, migration tools provide integrated services specifically designed for migrating servers, databases, and applications. Finally, the Azure Migrate Appliance is a lightweight collector that continuously gathers discovery and assessment data from your environment. Azure Migrate offers 3 primary discovery and assessment tools. Azure Migrate Discovery and Assessment discovers and assesses VMware virtual machines, Hyper-V virtual machines, and physical servers in your environment. The Data Migration Assistant, or DMA, evaluates your SQL Server databases for compatibility issues and feature parity with Azure SQL offerings. The App Service Migration Assistant examines your web applications to determine their suitability for migration to Azure App Service. For server migration, Azure Migrate provides 2 approaches. The Azure Migrate Server Migration Tool offers agentless migration capabilities for VMware and Hyper-V virtual machines, allowing you to migrate them directly to Azure virtual machines without installing agents. For more complex scenarios, the agent-based migration approach supports physical servers and environments that require replication agents to be installed on the source machines. Azure provides 3 specialized tools for database migration. The Azure Database Migration Service handles the migration of SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB databases to Azure with minimal downtime. The Azure SQL Migration extension integrates directly with Azure Data Studio, providing seamless workflows for SQL Server migration. The Data Migration Assistant performs pre-migration assessments and handles schema conversion for SQL databases before the actual migration begins. The Azure App Service Migration Assistant simplifies the process of moving web applications to Azure App Service. It provides automated assessment and deployment capabilities for both ASP.NET and PHP applications. The tool performs compatibility checks to identify potential issues and handles the migration of application configurations to ensure your web apps run smoothly in Azure. The Azure Migrate Appliance is a lightweight virtual machine that you deploy in your on-premises environment. It continuously discovers servers, dependencies, and performance data without requiring agents on each machine. The appliance collects performance metrics, creates application dependency maps to understand relationships between systems, and maintains a secure connection to Azure for transmitting discovery data. The Azure migration process follows 4 key phases. First, the Discover phase involves identifying and creating an inventory of all your on-premises resources. Second, the Assess phase evaluates the readiness of these resources for migration and provides cost estimates for running them in Azure. Third, the Migrate phase executes the actual migration with strategies to minimize downtime. Finally, the Optimize phase involves fine-tuning your Azure resources and their performance to ensure cost-effectiveness and efficiency. Azure Migrate delivers 4 significant benefits for organizations. It provides a unified platform where all migration activities and tracking occur in one central location. The service offers cost optimization through right-sizing recommendations and accurate cost estimates before migration. Security is built in with encrypted data transfer that meets Azure's stringent security standards. Most importantly, Azure Migrate enables migrations with minimal downtime through continuous replication capabilities and the ability to perform test migrations before the final cutover.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.